What is that, Murijo?
It's a gapper.
How does it work?
Put it in.
You're just scratching the peep.
Oh, la verga. Dale verga.
¿Qué vamos a hacer hoy, Murijo?
Today, I'm spraying carbon fiber hood. Al sepa.
On my queen.
On my queen. That's gonna was waiting. Mira. Yes, sir. What up, guys? Today, I have a special guest on the channel.
You already know who it is.
You guys might recognize him for his famous YouTube videos back in 2015.
Comment if I should start uploading again. Get these fools out of the way.
Who are you?
¿Ah?
Who are you?
This
is one of the members.
Me pueden buscar como José Jiménez en YouTube.
Jorge Aguilera.
Yeah, Jorge. Ahí hay tutoriales de todo.
Today, he's gonna help us install the carbon fiber.
¿Quieres que hable en inglés o en español?
En los dos. We're bilingual.
¿Por qué no me sale en inglés?
No sé ni cuándo. De los dos. Yes, sir. Vamos a hacer un unboxing del carbon fiber hood.
Pues dice Murijo que es carbon fiber, pero no le creo.
I think it's fake, huh? Replica.
Como el bumper que traía atrás.
EV shit.
La cara ahí está, era.
That does not look like carbon fiber.
Ya está, güey.
¿Todo, güey?
What the fuck, Grita? ¿Por qué tiene esto? Primero. Pero I want to see it first. Mira nomás. Chayanne.
It's real carbon fiber, huh?
I'm just kidding, guys. It's a wrap.
It's just a wrap hood. Hit up my homie Cat for wraps.
¿Quieres allá?
Cat
Yeah,
wrap.
put it on my whip.
Change of plan, guys. Vamos a poner
We're just playing for this one actually.
I just came to pick it up.
There's the homie Joshua's whip.
En el car no pueden hacer delivery estas cosas. Como que no le va a quedar.
But I think it's kind of small. I think you just gotta cut this shit off fool, so it gets more air and shit for the vents.
Yes, sir. Pues ya, güey.
¿Qué? ¿Sonreímos o?
To take out the fucking el hood, you guys are gonna need a fucking kiss. Well,
It's a tutorial?
yes, sir.
Right.
Para que sepan cómo agarrarlo. There's basically 4 bolts right here. Two de aquí, estos dos de allá.
Soon each side to be exact.
¿Por qué no cabe acá?
You got it, Murijo?
Yes, sir. I think. Mira.
Se trae el bote de la basura a time lapse. Es medio inmenso el gato.
Al otro lado. How with the old?
Fuck that will destroy whatever.
No, le voy a tomar una pipa para ponerla en la tubita del freezer. Venderlo.
Yep. Oh, with the old and with the new.
La nueva trae little-
I like the red one better.
You're not gonna paint these, Murijo? Should do them black, way.
Carbon fiber, huh? Remember the last video?
Las handles.
Con esos primero, Muri. Muri. Muri.
A ver, espérate, esta madre está rascando acá. Pásame una de aquella, güey. De la más.
Pues acabe, güey.
This is nada.
So you have to put it back on.
You don't have any washers, güey?
Same thing.
Estos tenía, güey. Mira.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying, like.
Ahí estas no le quedan, ¿o?
Yeah. Put the old
Con
one.
estas, güey, ya, güey.
And you can put those. adentro.
No le queda, güey. No le queda.
Yeah, güey.
¿Neta?
Nomás que ocupas la racha, idiot.
Ah, ¿neta es eso?
Va a estar bien forzada.
Tell us something, fool.
Mira, güey, compare it with another nut. Y vas a ver que es el mismo, güey.
Con el tuyo.
Con el izquierdo, porque el derecho está guango.
Ya no te sale.
Es el mismo, Chapo.
I don't know.
What do you guys think? Comment.
They came with new ones, but they want to put the old ones, but
Pues Murijo. Right?
Ya lo puse del otro, ¿ya?
No, ponlos con el que trajo, Murijo.
Pues eso dije, güey.
Chapo, ponle la de esa, güey, que duro para.
oh. Chupa. Adelántalo. Póngalo. Ahí adelanta.
Yeah, it's cool.
Ay, que es tutorial ni estás haciendo explain nada, pues.
Pretty basic, huh? Porque no sé, papá. Because it's pretty basic. No tienes que explicar nada, güey.
Ya.
¿Eh?
Ya.
Estoy grabando, güey, todo el rato.
¿Y por qué se lo... So basically, ya, para ponerlo para atrás, all you do is fucking mount it right here. If it come with new... ¿Cómo se llama? ¿Cómo se llama? Bolts,
Hardware.
Hardware, yeah, sir. Hardware se la ponen, si no agarran otra nueva o le ponen la que tenía. Como caiga la verga. Ahí está.
A ver, pues Chapo ya se fue.
Fucked up. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Just trying to look for some washers, pero no sé qué verga está haciendo este vato.
Ya traje tú. Chayanne. Chayanne. No más Chayanne.
las placas negras, ¿no?
Porque vete a la verga.
Sí, ya lo sabes.
Nah, no, ahorita porque está yendo, güey, los numbers.
Oh, so you prefer blue?
Yes, sir. But it's fine.
Entonces, ¿qué, Murijo?
Pues ya
¿Está o qué?
Nah, levántalo, güey, tú de ahí, hombre.
¿Ya?
Para más o menos alinearlo, güey. A ver, pues él.
Damn, my boy.
Pues ya cerró, pero.
That's a big ass gap.
Having some issues.
¿Es qué? Una easy install. 10 minutes vinimos. Yeah, was
I gotta go, Murijo.
Oh, fuck. My bad.
Yeah, it's just fucking huge. And I guess this shit has to align right here.
Little problem, pero ahorita.
So we're gonna see what the fuck. Open it.
No, güey.
Pop it. I'm just gonna pop it.
That shit jump, fool.
Pues esto es hydraulics. Podemos aflojar esta para. Siéntala, güey. Siéntala allá. No, ya primero alinear todo, güey, y ya. Ahorita le quitamos estas vergas. This is kind of fucking
Pues
shit
nosotros
right
pensamos que está pegando esta madre con esta de aquí.
In Spanish, now in English.
A ver.
Fucking, ¿qué dices? Oh, it has this shit right here. Estas madres no sé qué sean,
I
pero
don't know if you can see them.
I think
But
it's
some
hidden right
like
here. Either
plastic
right here
covers
or right here.
that are hitting
maybe,
right here.
Maybe they're hidden, maybe
Hey,
they're
wait,
not.
So we're gonna take them off. Oh, there you can see them better. We're gonna take those off to see if it goes down more, or I don't know.
Hey, pero first just fix the little fucking alignment so you know.
Well, yeah, you see and stuff.
Hey, Mario, you
Have like an hour here.
had done with. How's it gonna hit here, güey? If it's clearing this. Oh, esto también, güey, va a pegar.
Oh, it's probably that, huh?
Yeah, güey.
You have to take off the engine. It's sitting everywhere. Keep you guys updated.
Vamos a poner.
It's off. It's off. Neta puto? I don't know if you guys can see. We took this shit off. Let's see if it closes now.
Simón.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
See that gap? Oh, there you go, Mario. Looks way better.
Está de acá, güey.
Really?
Oh, fuck. You're gonna have to take both of them off. Mira. Pero ahí está, güey, ya. Okay.
You happy, Mario?
Yes, sir.
Let's try it. Ready, Mario? There's your gap. Well, it's way better though.
Yes, sir. Ábrelo, Joshua. Ábrelo, cofre.
This is what Muriel's gonna look at. Oh shit. Goals. Huh?
Hey Joshua,
What's up?
hood bends for sale. Let me know. Real carbon fiber, Peter. Let me know.
Está, man.
That's not dangerous. Pretty simple. Just take a few bolts off.
Wear glasses, guys, porque esta madre. Alright, guys, this is the final result. What do you guys think? Like, had a little problems with the fitment. You guys can see that shit right there. It's a big old gap. Just to work on it. I don't know, some other day, tomorrow, mañana, today, a ver qué. If you like our collab with our friend, make sure you guys give them a
Comment your favorite part. Si les gustó cuando we fucked up the first time, second time, or the third time. O cuando Murijol dejó los tools adentro de la fiesta.
por eso no cierra, ajá. Es que agüite. Overall, it looks okay. I like it. I like it a lot. Just little problems, pero sí es esta madre, compas. Cuando no queda, no queda, pero cuando queda, queda, pero cuando no queda, no queda, no queda.
Yo le digo que le ponga esto ahí, pero no entiende.
Ah, look. So, de la banda, aquel, no tiene esta madre, this little black rubber thing. And it's just like pins, so he's like, oh, just drill out the holes and then just put them in. So that's what we might do to fix this gap right here. I don't know if you can see that.
Otra nota, si buscan una 350
Oh, yeah.
hood, stock,
Stock 350 hood.
esta sí,
Este sí le va a quedar sin gaps ni nada.
ya esa sí queda.
Checking out by your bush.
Watsonville, Salinas,
And that's that. Yes, sir.
that's right.
Bye.
So we came back, fixed the gap issue. We got back because we didn't have shit to do. Yeah, it's pretty big. We have this one though, but we think that one's because the fucking UTI guy, what's the shit called? The latch is too big compared to the original one. So this shit, but we're just gonna leave it like that because we already got a new bumper. So we're just gonna fix it When we throw that one in. Yeah. Looks pretty clean.
So as you guys can see, the sun is going down now. I got here like around 12. But we finally got the gap. For now we're just gonna fill it up with this right here, which was from the old hood. Allá por donde vive Lacey. There's a hood.
You bang, homie?
And that's just gonna make it look cleaner.
Yeah, because it leaves a big ass gap right there. But, I mean, I don't know, but the size is better and shit. We can finally see the carbon fiber. But what do you want to tell them? Don't buy what?
Don't buy knockoffs. If you're gonna buy something, just spend the extra money and buy the real one. No, you don't have equipment issues.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at this shit.
You can tell that that's a
You
wrap.
can't even tell. We actually swapped this shit. He just wrapped it. We left it out the bed.
Did it. Okay, yeah.
First mod. Close the door, Joshua.
Next,
Close the door.
we're going for performance mount.
It looks pretty clean, if you ask me. Oh shit. I don't fuck with carbon fiber, but I like the end.
I guess Morijo's gonna send this one back. ¿Qué le vas a decir, Morijo?
No se pasen de vergas, tenía el mío.
Bonus footage, Shakira. Morijo taking a shit. Follow him on Instagram si quieren ver esas fotos.
Beautiful angles.